This is an accident prevention system for Ghat section. In Ghat section, we have seen that so many times opposite moving vehicles come and collide each other.
Yes.
In this system, we have made an infrared sensing system which detects the presence of vehicle at one end. So alarm is given onto the other side of the incomer. As soon as he enters this opposite side,
Great.
so both the vehicles are informed that opposite vehicle is coming. So thereby we can avoid accident. So this is an accident prevention system.
Thank you very much, sir. We have come here in the Science Center, that is exhibition. Accompany with me. The sir is here. Please tell me, sir, how we can
We are very
inspire
happy.
to the students by this kind of
We are
exhibition.
very happy to be here in the part of the exhibition because this time Nehru Yuva Kendra has taken a great initiative. Instead of taking art and culture, this time they have added science and technology.
Correct.
So they are promoting students to come up in the field of science and technology. So we are very happy and we wish such events should take
Regularly. So sir is talking that these kind of the activities or exhibitions must be regular every day, or it must be the part of our life. Yes, please, why not, sir? We are going to meet Harshal Siddharth Talaskar, sir. He is the Assistant Director from District Youth Officer. He is going to talk about revolutionary exhibition, the youngest scientist. Sir, say a few words about this exhibition, please.
Namaste everyone. Basically, we are organizing this district science mela by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Currently in India, around in all the 700 districts, this program is going on under the name of District Yuva Utsav. So this science exhibition is part of that event. And here there are two events, mainly individual event and group event. So who will be selecting first, second, third in the individual events. They will be going to represent Gulbarga district in the state level. Then who will be qualifying in the state level, they will go for the national level. So basically on 11th and 12th January 2025, Honorable Prime Minister will be inaugurating this event on the occasion of National Youth Day at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. So I think this is the very good opportunity for the Gulbarga youth to participate, show their knowledge, talent, and what scientific temper they have developed during their study. So basically it's what they are studying in the school colleges. They have to showcase that practical knowledge by through various models. So I am happy that many students, like we were expecting, whatever the expectation we had, but we are getting a very overwhelming experience.
Great.
And we are happy. And next time we will plan this event specifically in a very grand manner, so that around 500 models should be coming to this event. And this event will not be for the one day. I think it should go on 3 days. So basically, we will promote this event to the youth, Gulbarga youth, in a much more emphasizing way, so that we will getting a good participants, and definitely we will be having a very good upcoming scientists from Gulbarga district.
Yes.
That is
Really, it's amazing that you said about the scientist from Gulbarga, not only scientists from Gulbarga, from district, from each and every student. We hope that. Thank you very much to have this kind of a program. Thank you.